Nah, been an informer, no, me not been a 6 9. Me just a say something. But however, right. Alright, yo, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Been a while. Jimmy I come from, so nobody watching muscles, you see me? Yeah. So here we go on now, Zine. So what me I hear say now is that them band chopper music, gun music, Mali music. And yeah, if you come from Jamaica, say, certain things, I hear, especially about, drugs. Man, you sing about them weed and them thing there, but, when it come to Mali and them type of thing there, me can kind of understand that part there, you see me? Because that just never in our, how am I put it now, that never in our curriculum when it come to music. But at the end of the day, things and time change, you see me, and things evolve, and people want to hear a different type of music. That's what me think. But however, I don't think them can ban chopper music and gun music. Yes, man said when you chop a line, zoom. That's something good. You see me? Man say that. But if youth can find a way of manipulate the music and manipulate the listening ear, if I say yo ear people are gravitate to that type of music, so I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna say all of them are chop the line, and I'm not gonna say all of them not chop the line. You see me? I'm not been an informer, no, I'm not been a 6 9. I just say something. But however, to me, I feel like honestly, I feel like Jamaica hold on. I feel like Jamaica, brother, is just a place where you go for vacation and that's it, dog. You see me? I'm not gonna say I don't want it so bad, but it's like every time they get the youths them try something, they might try to hold it down. You see me? It's like every time they get to use them try something, brother, they might try to hold it down. I know for the man them who do music, I'm not gonna say all of them come from the ghetto. You see me? You have some who come from good home, you have some who got a good school, you have some of the man them who got UE, some who got NCU and all them places there, you see me? But however, I feel like say them a give the youths them a difficult time where it is concerned based on music. You see me? Gunsang I sing from way back when. Gunsang I sing from a long time. You see me? And I like I just yesterday or what them I do now. I make it seem like say Gunsang now sing from way back when. You see me? And I like what them I do now or what them I sing about now wasn't being done way back in the 1980s and them time there. You see me? It's just that now that people are singing about it and it's like Jamaica or politicians or people who run the country don't want people see that side there Jamaica. You see me? Them just want to show the pretty place and the beach and them thing there. You see me? At the end of the day you have to make people see where them are come. You see me? Yeah, Jamaica get majority of the money off of tourism. But at the end of the day, you can't hide them things from people because right now you have documentary about Jamaica, about Kingston, about politicians and all them thing there. You see me? So me personally feel like say wanna stop the youths them from create something for themselves. You see me? Because taking a whole heap of man for example. You have man like Briscoe, you have man like Skeng. Right now Skeng gone international. You see me? And because of Skeng song, you have so many females on one track where enough people never know about. Enough people, me personally, never know about them. Me know about Spice, Dovey Magnum, Pampute. But look how long we hear nothing from Pampute. You see me? With a long time we not hear nothing from Pampute. We don't know if she living, if she dead, if she migrate or nothing. And the song where Skeng sing, yeah, it's not a song about Mali and you see me, all them type of thing they wanna try. Hold on the youths them. But at the end of the day, if the youths them stop sing them type of song, them are gonna gravitate to a woman song or gravitate to something else. You see me? I wanna want the country worse I know it already is. Man, I'm gonna resolve onto violence, crime, them thing there. I wanna want them type of thing there in that place. I want fun. You see me? Chopper music make the place have a vibe. You see me? It is fun. Music is an expression. You see me? Of that specific artist. Of that specific artist's thoughts. You see me? And you have to understand, say, I don't like scamming the big. I don't like scamming the big of Jamaica. We're not gonna like scamming just coming yesterday. I don't want to cut out it now before, whatever. Yes. What day I sit down and I talk to KD and I say, yo, say really and truly though, The man them a sing about the scamming like I know nothing now. But then it is kinda different. But now we see say yo, it is more pronounced than anything else. Yeah, the music, you see me? Them a talk about Mali, them a talk about Choppy Line, them a talk. Me not even gonna put in gun song like only if you try band gun song. Gun song I sing from way back when. Only thing say if you stop sing gun song, I have to cut off the man them from sing gun song that gonna help the country, I help the crime and violence. That not gonna help. That not gonna help, you know. That not going to help no way, in no way, shape or form, brother. See, and if you fix that up, eh? Make the man them sing them song. You see me? Make the man them sing them song. When not sell out the country, I couldn't try ban that. Try ban uno sell out the country. That one if you try ban. I make the youth them live, make youth them have a freedom of speech based through them music. Make them have a life. Make them see where a way where them can come out. You see me? Yeah, if them chop the line, me nah say that not wrong, you know, that wrong. You see me? So if you're chopping the line, please stop. But however, you have to give the man them props because enough song, enough youths right now in a music come out. Look on Craft. Craft come out through singing about chopping the line and all them thing there. You see me? I'm going to put this into perspective. What if Craft was actually a chopper, but deep down inside him, he say him don't want God style there. Him don't want God life there no more. So he might try come out with something else and him find music. You see me? And him start study him craft, study him lyrics, study him writing and all them type of thing there. And become successful in a music. What if that's the case for enough of them little youth there? Now if you say yo, me I cut out the chopping, you know. Them a go back to that and I wanna see them when I go run in upon them, kill them, lock them up. And when them a try to do something good now, not say to educate the community or to educate the country, but if you as a parent, I gotta say yo, you know why your child listen to that, you as a parent should know say the foundation where you set for your child, him or her will never go that route. You see me? That you need to understand. When you can't say it can influence youths. Yes, some people are strong minded for know say yo, you know that wrong, you know, I'm not gonna do it, you know. But me artist I sing about it, so I'm gonna do it. At the end of the day, as a parent and as a person, you have to have a strong will for know say yo, you know, I'm not gonna go that side there, you know. I'm not gonna go that route there. But I love the music and I'm gonna go and listen to the music. You see me? When you can't say it influence youth. When you can't say that. You see me? When you can't say that. If it influence the youth them, when you can't blame the artist them. Or the parents may for blame. You see me? I parents may for blame. Them should set a foundation for no say yo. You can't do that. My mother set a foundation for no say yo, you know. The man not for touch my ass. You see me? Me not for go rob and kill nobody. You see me? Me not for bow down for things. You see me? My mother teach me say if me not have it, me wall out. My mother teach me say yo, if me not have it, I'm not take up no phone and make no call and scam nobody. Wall out. You see me? So my mother said fear foundation for fear kids them. And me no want to feel like say we did have a father. Me never have a father. I'm fathered from me 2 months old, brother. 2 months old. I'm never go the wrong way. Right now, anybody boy you know me can tell us say yo, me never go the wrong way. You see me? No music. Nobody never influenced me for do. Right now, if I call my mother ask her one thing about me, she go tell her say yo, the man tough with this man. The man is just tough. Man, I listen to nobody. You see me? And at them foundation they have to set. You have to set them type of thing there as a parent. So your youth them can come out and know say yo, here know. I love the music but I know something I go do. You see me? And you have to set the foundation for know say yo, unna have to go in the music to be successful. You see me? Unna have to do that, unna have to go play a ball, unna have to go. Only can do other things, you see me? You just have to master on the craft, find one I like and know say you know this me like, this me I go for and stay 100 after it. You see me? Things might not work out from the beginning, but at the end of the day, you can't say yo, you never try. You see me? But in all said and done, me feel like say personally what them I do, them I try stop the youths them. Them I try it's like them I neglect the fact say yo, the man them I try, the man them I put out music, them a make them a make a stable income, or let's say them a make a right income. You see me? A right income. That man say. No, put like this: legal income. You see me? Them not make no illegal money. What them a do? It is legal. You see me? They might not sing. They might not sing about things where legal, but at the end of the day, them a the music, you see me, and it is bringing in an income which is legal. And I think we can give them props for that and not take away the people them fun, because right now that type of music have a fun aspect of it in Jamaica, and it also have a bad reputation as well. You see me? So we can't say we not go ban gun song and ban them type of music there, because at the end of the day, I just music. It's like we want deteriorate the people in life and career because of the music that they must sing. Just like come do the cartel. I'm gonna think that right, brother. You see me? I'm gonna think that right. Like in all honesty, I'm just think that right. I'm feel like say yo, the man them for just take it up on themselves. You see me? And know say yo, even if them can't do nothing, if say yo, we are gonna stop it from ban. Man if just hold them head straight and know say yo, here you know, I gotta do this thing here. Yeah. No matter what them a say, what them a do, I gotta make sure say me do music and do it regardless. You see me? Sing about some girl song. Sing about some. But right now, like a Christian and girl song alone, the man have to sing about or some conscious music. And let me tell you what people don't understand, especially people who think they're highly educated are better than people. And to me, that's how I think politicians are in Jamaica. You see me? Are people who think they have some type of statue or some type of level in life than ghetto youths or middle class people. To me personally, me feel like say uno think say uno better than people. See me? I feel like say uno think uno better than people, and anything uno say that people have to stand by, that people have to go with. You see me? I just saw me film. I just feel like say yo, no want to see people try. No want to see you get to use them try. Buy them beamer, buy them markings, whatever them a do. And music man them say make him them do them music, brother. You see me? I just saw me feel. So that are my 2 cents. You see me? Like, comment, subscribe. You see me? Don't be a stranger. Make sure so no come back over here. You see me? What else? Follow up on Instagram. You can follow me Instagram Dino_fitness_11. You can jump over to my next channel, my fitness channel, and subscribe on that as well. We do some things over there, some motorcycle vlog, some gym vlog and all them things there. You see me? I have a gym vlog I drop, I don't know when to drop it, but I have a bunch of things I want to deal with. So I'm just going to vlog it and put it up. Big up on yourself, stay love, stay peaceful, and don't make nobody stress You see me? If you don't have girl problem, just let go that. If you don't have man problem, just let go that. You see me? But best upon yourself still and stay safe. Yeah.